English essay. My cat. Brainstorming. Mano. Beautiful. Blue eyes. Gift. America. Play with ball. Drink milk. Sofa combat. Love. My cat. I have a beautiful cat. Its name is Manu. Its eyes are blue. My father brought it from America. It drinks milk and sleeps in our amazing sofa combat. It plays with the ball in the lawn. Manu is my best friend. I love my cat very much.